Alright guys, first of all I want to thank all our new subscribers. Thank you so much. Our channel is growing like crazy. We're both super excited about that. Richard's super excited about that. And also, I want to thank a couple of our older subscribers. Some of our subscribers have been there for a while. Thank you Mama Bear and thank you Shell B. I like Mama Bear. It's Mama Bear, B-U-R. I like that. That's country. That is country. We're getting ready to start our new series. It's called Places to Visit in Florida for Families.
So if you like food and travel and toddler tips or small kid tips, then you're in the right place. So hit that like and subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss what we got coming out.
And when I'm talking about places for families to visit in Florida, I don't mean just fun places, because there's tons of fun places in Florida. We're talking about a one-size-fits-all place for your family. That means your 2-year-old's gonna have a good time and your 80-year-old grandfather's gonna have a good time. All right, so that's our goal. So you're gonna wanna definitely hit that subscribe button. You're definitely gonna wanna hit that bell notification so you don't miss any part of this series, all right? And what else are we doing? We're gonna be shooting all this with our
brand new GoPro 9.
So sound quality and everything's gonna be better from right now.
We got the camera and we got time, but we ain't got the weather. I guess you can't have it all.
Nope. Hi, you ready to go? So we're here at Icon Park, big Ferris wheel, everything, really cool. We're gonna go find fun stuff to do for everybody. Our challenge today is to find something fun to do for a toddler, something fun to do for a teenager, something fun to do for a preteen.
Something to do for mom and dad.
So let's go find it. You know what I like about Icon Park?
What?
There's a lot of places just to sit and just like relax. Like, that's really fun.
That's one of my favorite things to do here. Just come and walk around and chill out.
People watch. We found out what the 80-year-olds can do.
People watch.
Yes. I give that activity 7 out of 10. It'd be better if there was pigeons.
What?
Well, I feel like old people, you ever see them sitting in a park in the movies?
Yeah.
They like to feed pigeons.
Well, they can feed the parrots.
What?
They can feed the parrots.
Oh yeah, there's parrots.
Are you the thrill seeker of the family? If you are, then check out Orlando Star Flyer. It's the tallest swing in America. And it's only $12 to ride.
Okay, obviously I'm not going to ride that. And probably a lot of you are not going to ride that because that is insane. So let's go look for other stuff for me and Richard to do. You want to go find stuff to do, son? Yeah, we'll go find it. Come on. Maybe rides ain't your thing. Let's hit the arcade.
So, we got Madame Tussauds Arts Museum for your artsy kids. And then over here we got Orlando Sea Life Aquarium for your science kids. And also the train right here for your little kids.
He really wants to get on that train. You ready? Yeah, we. Anytime he sees something funny, he goes, we? For kids, it's $5, and adults, it's $3. And paid and ready to go, baby.
We.
Bye, Richard! Let's go. Time to go. We're gonna get an exclusive interview, Richard. He's still looking at the train. What do you think of the train? Well, I think he wants to go back on the train.
So our lovely little toddler's chilling in his stroller, eating out of his super cool snack cup with his super cool straps that he can't throw his snack cup down. Straps are really cool because you can just strap them to the stroller or the car seat or whatever you want and hook up his snack cups and his sippy cups and drinks, so then he can't throw them down.
Yeah, so you know, you don't lose bottles and stuff while you're going through the park and cost you extra money. We got these off of Amazon, so we're gonna put a link down in the description to show you where you can get them. They're really cheap. I think they're only like 10 bucks. How much are they a piece?
Around 10 bucks.
Well, so they're pretty inexpensive. They come in a pack of 2. We bought a couple of packs, that way we had some, and then we had more because, you know, a baby always likes to tear stuff up and always ruin it, and it'll probably get soaked in milk. So we bought 2. So if you guys want to, look down in the description, check them out. Okay guys, as far as dining, there's tons of places to check out. There's Shake Shack, there's Uncle Julio's, which is a really cool place, and there's even a sushi place that has a little revolving sushi train on it. I'm gonna go in and see if I can take a look at it. Well, that's a little soul crushing. Okay, now for like the 18-year-olds and stuff. Well, let's say 18, 21-year-olds. Let's say you're single, you ain't even got a family. Still a cool place to hang out. They got Old Reds, which is a country bar, country music artist.
I think Blake Shelton.
Yeah, because Old Red's itching to have a little fun. Yeah, he owns that. They also got a live music band or a live music bar over here. What's great about it is all these bars are like open, so like even if you're not here for the club, you can still hear the music, kind of get the vibe of it, and you don't have to leave your kids. You might be able to sneak off and maybe grab you a margarita or something like that and hang out. So,
or if you want something a little more chill, there's the Cafe de Paris coffee shop right there, and they got smoothies, breakfast, crepes, coffees, and I think also beer and wine.
Yeah, that's pretty fun. And if you more into hookah, and I know people's not, well, smoking's bad and everything like that, but if you like hookah, you want to chill out, relax, have a couple of drinks, there's an awesome hookah bar by Cafe Istanbul. Yes, somebody's having a birthday. That's pretty cool. Factory does it good for a birthday.
Yeah, they do.
You want to go get something from the sugar factory?
Yes.
Let's go see what they got. Do you think we should get Richard a big thing of sugar?
What?
We should get Richard a big thing of sugar.
We should not.
He would like it. You want a big thing of sugar, buddy? This guy just walked by here with like a big chalice, and he just walked over to these M&M, and he just dumped it into a bowl and walked it to a table. I want to know what's going on. Some of these drinks look insane, but it's really kind of crowded in here. We was gonna go in there and get something to eat, something sweet, but it's just way too packed in there. They're way too busy. So we're gonna go to Plan B, and Plan B is over here in the middle of Icon Park. When you see a sign like that, you gotta check it out. Tiffany, I brought you the gift of churro.
Wow! What's in this?
Chocolate and dulce de leche.
Ooh. See how it goes. Really warm.
We got chocolate in there. And we've got a little dulce de leche leaking out the back. What do you think of it?
Oh, really good. The outside is crunchy and the chocolate is not too sweet, but it's just sweet enough. And I tasted a little bit of that dulce de leche. That's pretty good.
Alright guys, if you guys want to check something out cool, get a cool snack, you got to go to Orlando Churro. And if you don't know where it's at, that'd be a pretty good starting point to start looking for it. Oh, it's really hard. Richard's back there playing with one of his friends. But it's really been hard, like, you know, this past year with everything going on, because, you know, he's starting to notice that there's other kids around, and, you know, like, he's not allowed to play with them. So it's really kind of good to see him play with other kids, you know. He's not old enough to go to school, and the parks and stuff has been closed. So he's at a really important age that he needs social interaction, and he's just not getting it. So I know there's stuff going on, but every now and then, you know, how do they say it? Let the kids play. You know what I love about Icon Park?
What?
It's just like a really chill place. Like, it's really, like, it's like you can do stuff, but at the same time, like, you don't have to.
No.
Like, obviously you've seen that there's an aquarium, and obviously the Eye of Orlando's here, the giant Ferris wheel that looms over us like a Greek god. But you can just come down here and just kind of walk around. There's little shops and tons of little fun things to do, you know, little activities for the kids, and you just relax, you know. I feel like when you go to a theme park here in Orlando, you feel pressured to do everything.
Yeah.
And what I like about a place like this is you can come here and you can just do what you want.
Yeah.
There's tons of nice restaurants around here, like Uncle Julio's or Cafe Istanbul, which we're going to do a review for that for next week. So you definitely want to make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell notification to see that. But, you know, if you just want some quick snacks and stuff, it's here.
Yeah.
You know, so that's why I like it so much. It's just a great place to relax.
Yeah, it ranges for everybody with pricing and age groups. Something for everybody.
You gotta excuse us. Yeah, and it's good for anybody, you know? There's really no, and it feels so lively. And I feel like after what we've been through, it's nice, it's open, and it's lively.
Yeah.
So you don't feel cooped up with people, but you are around people, so it feels comfortable.
Yeah.
So
You can get out, be in the good atmosphere, but still be safe.
exactly. So that's pretty much it, guys. We actually ate at the Turkish restaurant, Cafe Istanbul. So if you like stuff like this, guys, check this out. Look at that. You're probably going to want to hit that like button and subscribe button, and you're definitely going to want to hit that bell notification, because next week we are showing you a full review of that restaurant. All right, so I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you to all our new subscribers and our old ones. You got anything to say?
Guys, our old faithful.
Old
Very appreciated.
Thank you, and come check this place out, man. It's really fun, really laid back, really chill, and there's a lot of cool little activities. Low pressure situation, low pressure scenario. Make you some reservations. Come have a nice time, or walk around here at night and have a few drinks and watch the light show that this displays. Obviously we're not going to be able to see it now, but you know. But I appreciate it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm Rich.
And I'm Tiffany.
And this has been How's My Living?